ceremony,
a significant event marking the beginning of new academic and leadership chapter.
this ceremony marks the induction of our new student council leaders who will carry the torch of responsibilities in the discharge of various positions of student council.